Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here is the Redmagic first gaming pad, and this is Redmagic logo. As we know, first they do the gaming mode forms, and then they release lots of gaming related devices like keyboard, mouse, or the display screen, the periscope, a lot of PC accessories. And this time they bring us the first generation Redmagic gaming pad, and also I bring you the Redmagic gaming pad keyboard. It's very cool, and it's a smart mechanic connection keyboard, and also it supports the touch panel as well. Smart mechanic keyboard here. Redmagic gaming pad. So here is the edition we got. It's a black edition. It's called Dark Knight, and it's a 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. They use the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. Yes, it's licensed by Qualcomm DTS, sound quality Wi-Fi 6, and will support Snapdragon sound quality. So next I'm going to unbox it, and we will talk about the specifications about this tablet pad product from Redmagic. So after we open it, the pad is just in front of us, and they also provide a very special and very useful functions. It means this is NFC tag, so you can use NFC smartphone and close to the pad right side and touch it. Then your screen can be synchronized to the pad very fast. So this is one thing I think, yes, very funny, so we mention it before we go to the devices. And after we check the pad, under this pad we have two boxes, and here is the right box. Let's open it. It's the SIM card ejector, and here is a QR card. You can scan it against the membership right. The quick instructions about this device, functions, buttons, so it can let you know the per device, how to use the device very fast. This is the warranty card. So this is all the stuff inside this box. And next, the left box, small box. I think this is a cable and the charger. Very heavy. We can also open it. Now here, yes, I'm right. It's the red cable. It's a USB. No USB. It's a Type C to Type C cable. Yes, they use Type C to Type C cable this time, and I really like the red color, and the quality is also very nice. Cable, and then here, this is a charger, Type C to Type C charger, and this was also protected by a paper, not plastic, but paper. And this time they provide 10,000 big batteries with 80-watt fast charger, so you can charge this tablet from 0 to 50% in 24 minutes. So this is very nice for the big screen gaming pad. And so now after we check the user manual, the warranty card, the accessories. Next, let's go to the pad. Check today's highlight. Oh, let's put this. Okay, so here's the pad. Okay, let's get this amazing pad out of the out of the screen protector. Whoa. Remove this label. Wow. Nice. So here's the pad. Okay. Oh, it's a big size pad, as you can see. Yes, now the pad is in front of us, and it's a very, I think, a very simple, also very simple, very nice design. Here is the Redmagic logo. Here is the camera zone, single real camera. But the special is here, this part. They use the curved kind of you can kind of PCB design, so you can find the curved here and the dual color LED light. Here is for the Redmagic pencil, and we can show you. I will show you the gamepad, because this also include a pencil in the keyboard. And here is the buttons. And also here, mechanic connection part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dual speaker system. Yes, this is the speaker system here. And the size, so the screen size is big, but it's very, I think it's very thin, very thin. And this time the screen is 12.1 inch. It's very big. We can up it, check it. Yes, they also use the Redmagic OS on this tablet products, so we can find all the icons are redesigned. Most of the icons are redesigned. Very nice. The wallpaper is very cool, and I can, both sides, I can compare it with the Doogee T20. Wait a moment, it's much bigger. This is the Doogee V20. Here is the Redmagic gaming. So it's much bigger, as we can see from the videos. So this is the Doogee T20. Yes, much. Here is conversion. And for this pad from Doogee is 10.636. So this is almost 2 inch bigger than the Doogee T20. Okay, we can put the Doogee T20 aside and go to the Redmagic tablet. Okay, here, tablet. Oh, very nice. And this time, as I mentioned, it's have 10,000 big batteries, 80-watt fast charger, and they use the. Okay, we go to settings to check the pad specifications here. Or tablet here. Get more information. Got it. Adjust the brightness. About device. Okay, you cannot get more information. Just here, yes. Device name. And the Snapdragon, the CPU is Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor. It's octa-core processor, 4 nanometers. Producing technology, storage information also can be found. And it also support DTS X Ultra stereo sound quality system. It also support 5G telecom, and it supports LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1. So this is all very nice for this tablet. And screen is 1600 by 2560. Sorry, yes, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. It's basic, and also specification about this device, and also the Redmagic OS is also supported. And one more thing is also have can be connected to the gaming platform, can be used as a display to show it. And also I think one thing, sorry, before we check I will go to, my plan is going to show you the camera, but before we go to the camera, I think I will show you the thickness. It's very, as I mentioned, it's very thin tablet. It's just 6.5 mm. Very nice, and also support Genshin 61 hours 6 minutes with very stable FPS. Normally can be average 60 FPS, and also it supported ice cooling system from just like the Redmagic gaming phones. The 2.5K display resolution is pretty good, and also it supports 144 Hertz refresh rate and 250 or 40 touch rate, and this IP3 color, and the screen to body size is 16 to 60 by 10. It's also very nice. And for the sound quality, as I show you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so this is also nice for the qualities, sound qualities. Yes, besides the good quality and display, and this also can be used as a station. You can play sound cloud games, and most can be used handhold or mouse to play games, connect to a device. And also it can be worked with the Redmagic Studio, and you can play the Steam or the more big games on this tablet. And about the camera, in this time they provide 16 megapixel front, and also is have a here is the 13 megapixel 16 front and 13 megapixel real camera, and so it can meet your selfie or the office or meeting or lots of demands. It can meet your need. And actually for this is very nice, because you can not only use it as a gaming pad, you can also use it as your office for your work partner. Yeah. And so this is the basic introduction about this device, and next I'm going to show you how it can connect to the keyboard. And yes, here is a keyboard. Okay, keyboard. Okay, wait a moment. So this keyboard is also very cool. Okay, this is the keyboard. And for this keyboard, it's also very powerful. I also like it very much. It can support magnetic connection, and also it's have a touch panel, so you can use this in 2 ways to control your control the tablet. Yes, here is the keyboard. It have a separate design. So here is for the pen, for the pen, Redmagic pen, and here is the keyboard. So it's have a separate design, and it is also easily to connection it. Here is the connection dot. Okay, it's very easy to. Okay, now it's already connected. And also here, yes, now it's connected. So it's a very easy to install it. And here is the standard design. So it's very easy, very nice. I can put this box away, right? Yes, very nice. Here we can change this angle. Yes, put it aside as well. Yes, we can check for this angle. Very nice. So yes, you can use this like this to control it. Yes, here the gravity X. Now already you can see this is the mouse. I control it. Yeah, very nice. This keyboard, easy to control. And for this keyboard, it's have 678 keyboards and compact design, so you can the full keyboard you can find here. Distance very nice, 1.3 between the here, that's the up and in the middle, and the distance gap between the keyboards is here is 19. So very nice. It also can use the keyboard or cream pad case. So it's very nice. And yes, so this is a very quick and simple introduction video about this device, the Redmagic gaming pad product. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadget on phone here. Bye bye.